Exercise is a huge part of what we do here at ATMC. The stunning topography and beautiful environment that is Sedona, Arizona provides a perfect backdrop for hiking, biking, going on runs, but we also have access to a 24-hour gym where I delight in taking residents. There have been times where I've taken 4 or 5 residents in a single day to help meet their fitness goals. Exercise is paramount in recovery. It releases natural endorphins. It's part of what we do at the detox shop, where we use the skin as the primary excretion pathway during detox. And in conjunction with niacin, exercise is instrumental in helping to push out those toxins when the capillaries begin to expand. I absolutely love to exercise. I often will hold my individual tailor-made exercise classes right at the Roadrunner residence, and I will tailor-make a recovery program based on the attributes and limitations of a particular resident. It is a pleasure to be of service at ATMC, so ask me to go to the gym when you come to visit.